Meaning of DT.
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 DT. The meaning of DT can vary depending on the context in which it is being used. In the field of computer science, DT may refer to decision trees, which are used in predictive modeling and machine learning. In the context of business, DT may stand for digital transformation, which refers to the integration of digital technology into various aspects of a business to improve efficiency and performance. In military terminology, DT may refer to detonation time, which is the preset time for an explosive device to detonate.